You're listening to the Options Insider Radio Network. For more quality options programs, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app, available in iTunes and on Google Play.
Welcome to the Hot Options Report, your premier source for insight into the fast-moving options market. Each day, we'll track down the products that are dominating the options chains and impacting your trading account, from NVIDIA to VIX and everything in between. If it's lighting up the options tape, then you'll find it on the Hot Options Report.
All right, everybody. That music means it's time to get down to business for your Hot Options Report for Friday, March 20th. Another rocking and rolling Friday here in the options market. My name, of course, Mark Longo from the Options Insider Radio Network. Your home now for 19 plus years of options goodness. And if you want to find a little options goodness of your own, make sure you're checking out our friends over there at thehotoptionsreport.com. They offer the entire options market. You can carve it up any way you like, including dozens upon dozens of badges and scans you can look for. Like today's badge is the Silver Sweep. It looks for multi-exchange sweep orders where the total premium is between $750,000 and $1 million. That's it. Just straight premium multi-exchange sweep orders. Let's just look at the top three right now. You can run the rest of the scan for yourselves. Number 3, we're going out to SPY. It's the 685 calls, but expiring in exactly 1 year. That's a long-term trade. They went up for a total of 862,000 contracts in a sweep order. Number 2, we're going out to small caps, IWM, to the June par puts, the June 200 puts. They went up 3,501 times across multiple exchanges for a total premium of $917,000. And the top sweep out there today going to NVIDIA, the 170 puts expiring in January of next year, went up 424 times for a total premium of just under $1 million, listeners. So there you go. Some fun stuff. You can check out those and all the other scans over there at thehotoptionsreport.com as we check out what was going on in the options market today. Was it a pretty action-packed day? The answer was it was decent. 659,000 contracts is what it cost you to break into the top 10 today on a day when the market was pretty much blood red, listeners. Number 10 on our list today is Intel. Intel selling off $2.31, or exactly 5% to close 43.87. Again, putting up 659,000 contracts. For the number 10 spot on our countdown today, the hot option in Intel land, 31, almost 32,000 of the 47 puts. So once again, we're playing the in-the-money put game. Average price for these about $3.80, but these are not expiring today. They are expiring next month. So they're getting a little bit of duration for these, listeners. Will we be above the 47 strike by April expiration? I guess we'll keep an eye on these to find out as we keep an eye on the number 9 name on our list today. Listeners, this is the artist formerly known as Facebook. Yep, it's Meta, breaking through the par strike in the wrong direction. Meta selling off $13 today, or over 2%, to close $593.66, putting up 682,000 contracts. For the number 9 spot in our countdown today, the hot option in Meta land, 29,000 of the pars, the 600 calls. Expiring today, average price for these, 97 cents. You know the drill. If you wrote them through the close and you spent anything for them, they went out worthless. It looks like paper was probably selling these for nearly $1. So they had to sweat. They started out the day above that strike, but obviously if you wrote them through the close, they worked out well for you. As we keep on climbing to the number 8 spot, it's Microsoft. You know, they were selling off on a blood red day. They sold off over $7, or about 1.8%, to close $381.85, putting up 721,000 contracts for the number 8 spot in our countdown today, the hot option in Microsoft. 33,000 of the 385s, again, expiring today. Average price for these, 76 cents. And once again, looks like hitting the bid on calls was your friend today. Seems like paper was selling these. If you wrote them through the close, congrats to you. You pocketed 76 cents on this trade. even if you had to sweat a little bit intraday, they did rally back above the 385 strike ever so briefly as we keep climbing to the number 7 spot in our countdown today. It's Amazon. Amazon selling off $3.40 to close 205.37, putting up 728,000 contracts for the number 7 spot on our countdown today. The hot option, nearly 43,000 of the 205 puts. Once again, looks like paper was selling these for an average price of about 44 cents. And once again, if you sold these and rode them through the close, you had to sweat a little bit. The low today was 204.32, but they ended up working out pretty well. You pocketed about 44 cents. So congrats to you as we keep climbing to the number 6 spot. This is SoFi. They've been red quite a bit of late. They were red again today, off about 20 cents or about 1%, closing $16.90 and putting up 778,000 contracts. For the number 6 spot on our countdown today, the hot option in SoFi, 81,000 of the 19 calls, but not expiring today, expiring in April. So you're getting a month's worth of duration. How much does that cost? About 45 cents, listeners. So up to you if you think the April 19s for 45 cents are a worthwhile trade or if it's throwing good money after bad. But we'll keep an eye on SoFi as we keep climbing to the number 5 spot. This is Micron. They've had a bit of a rough patch post-earnings, selling off again today, $21.39, or nearly 5% to close, $422.88, putting up 934,000 contracts. For the number 5 spots, the number 5 are already closing in on 1 million contracts, listeners. A pretty active day out there in the options market. The hot option on a hot day in Micron, 28,000 of the 420 puts. Average price for these, $1.88. Now, if you sold these, obviously they worked out pretty well if you rode them through the end of the day. It looks like paper might have been buying these, and they were on the right track. The stock sold off to about 415.36. So if you bought these, you had opportunities to get out. If you rode them through the close, obviously not a great trade. As we keep climbing to the number 4 spot on our countdown today, this is the Fruit Company, selling off almost exactly $1 to close, $247.99, putting up 986,000 contracts. For the number 4 spot in our countdown today, the hot option, about 110,000 of the 250s. Average price for these, 22 cents. These were expiring today. And looks like paper might have been buying these, in which case, looks like it may have been a bit of a bridge too far. The high today was 249.20, so you didn't quite get there. You got close, but you never really got within spitting distance of the 250 strike. So unfortunately, if you bought these, looks like they went out worthless. As we keep climbing to the number 3 spot, this is our old pal, Super Microcomputer, aka SMCI. They came for them today off 10.25 or 33%, closing at $20.53. This is the massive $2.5 billion NVIDIA chip smuggling case against their founder that is obviously weighing on the stock. That is absolutely wild. Again, putting up 1.41 million contracts for the number 3 spot in our countdown today. I'm going to go out on a limb and guess it was probably puts that were lighting up the tape out here today, but let's go find out. The hot option in a hot day in SMCI, 63,000 of the 20 puts. Now, before you say those went out worthless, these are expiring next Friday on the 27th, so they have an extra week. Average price for these was 78 cents, and it definitely looks like paper was buying these. So one more week to go. Can they keep plummeting below the 20 handle, listeners, or is this about all she wrote for the downside? I guess we'll see. Which way would you rather go on those puts? Would you rather be a buyer or a seller of the 20 puts in SMCI for 78 cents with 1 week to go? Hit us up. Let us know as we keep climbing to the number 2 spot on our countdown today, listeners. This is Tesla, $367.96. They continue to sell off another $12.34, or about 3.25%. Yet another rough day for the Tesla bulls, putting up 3.25 million contracts, though, so a very active day for Tesla. And the hot option on a hot day in Tesla, 173,000 of the 375s. These are expiring today. Average price for these, $1.33. So they were not giving these away, but it looks like paper was probably selling these. And there were a few moments, and the intraday high was 379.85. $1.89. So these were worth almost $5 at one point. So if you sold these, you definitely had to sweat. But if you rode them through the close, congrats to you. You kept $1.33 as we keep climbing to the number one spot on our countdown today. It's NVIDIA selling off $5.63 or 3.15% today to close 172.93. Obviously, a lot of things weighing on NVIDIA, not just the broad sell-off, but of course this chip smuggling case with SMCI. A lot of wild stuff going on out there today. Pretty hot day in NVIDIA today, 3.44 million contracts. What was the hot option on a hot day? 189,000 of the 177 halves. Average price for these, 32 cents. Obviously, they went out worthless. Intraday, the high was 178.26. And it looks like they got close again in the middle of the session. They got up to about 176.42. So paper sold these. They had to sweat a little bit in the middle of the day, but after that, looks like it was pretty much all downside from there. So if you sold these for 32 cents, congrats. Looks like you kept all of your premium. And that's going to do it for us today on the Hot Options Report. Make sure you're checking out our friends over there at thehotoptionsreport.com. You can check out the Silver Sweep scan or any other scan that suits your interest out there. Thehotoptionsreport.com is the place to go to learn more. That's going to do it for us on the network this week. Hope you had a good trading week. Have a great weekend. Get away from your screens. We'll see you back here on Monday for the option block all the way through until after the closing bell. Another episode of the Hot Options Report. Stay safe out there, everybody.
You're listening to the Options Insider Radio Network. For more quality options programs, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app, available in iTunes and on Google Play.